Out here, people talk about salad. They talk about what was in it and who grew it and what was the salad dressing and how many people shared it. And this is our beautiful spring lettuces salad. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a mix of spring lettuces and I am dressing them in this wooden bowl. And as I go, I'm layering in things like shredded carrots and herbs and beautiful radicchio. And you know, it's a twist on kind of the classic that Via Carrota is doing. We have all of this gorgeous lettuce and we want to just build it into the most beautiful salad you can imagine. It needs a little bit of salt on occasion to make sure that it's good and seasoned. Well, we make our salad special because salads are one of the main food groups of the Hamptons. It's one of the things that we love to eat and we specialize in. I don't know, I'm feeling pretty great about this salad. I think it's going to be a lovely lunch for everybody who's working in the kitchen. This would probably feed, you know, maybe 10 people with a couple of roasted chickens and a side of salmon. I like nothing more than a beautiful salad tower. So here we have it. All right.
We got the salad. All right. Good job.